Hi everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. And remember this glitter shake back tag from our last video? You guys love it. And I got so many messages asking for a tutorial. Well, today is the day. I finally show you how to make it with your PooLin embroidery machine. Here is everything you will need. Glitter vinyl fabric for the sparkle, clear TPU film for the shaker window, some colorful sequins matching embroidery thread, and a keychain for finishing, plastic sheeting, tear-away stabilizer. Simple, right? Place a layer of tear-away stabilizer at the bottom, then cover it with a piece of plastic sheeting. Hook them together nice and tight. Let's start by stitching the placement line. This outlines where your glitter vinyl fabric will go. Next, lay your glitter vinyl over the line with the shiny side facing up. Smooth it out and stitch the tack-down line to hold it in place. Time to add your name or any words that make it special for you. Then grab your scissors and carefully cut along the stitch line. Try not to leave too much fabric showing, or the border might not be covered completely. Now it's a magic moment. Time to add the sequins. Don't add too many. Leave some space so they can move and shake around nicely. Gather the sequins towards the center. Then place your TPU film on top. Lower your embroidery speed a bit and use a handy tool to keep the sequins in place so they don't scatter everywhere. Don't press too hard. Leave a little space so they can still move and shake around. Finally, we can tear the TPU film and cut out our tag. Use a lighter to gently seal the edges. Then punch out the hole and add your keychain. And look, it's all done. How it sparkles! So, who is making their own back tag next? Tag PooLin will finish yours. I can't wait to see your sparkle. See you next time!